Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to create testimonial carousel with RTMKit. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit in your plugin. Here, install it RTMKit, and later on you create page and edit with Elementor. In edit with Elementor, you can create this one, and container and add element. After you create add element, you can scroll down. There is testimonial carousel. You can drag and drop in here. So in this testimonial carousel, there is layout style 1, like this one. You can create it when it's longer with one column, like this one. Add element and scroll down and testimonial carousel and drag and drop. And here's this testimonial carousel. This is style 2, style 3. Here's the style 3, style 4. Here's style 4, it's beautiful design. Here's style 5. Here's style 5. And each of the style, you can change also rating. You want to show rating or not with custom rating icon. You can change it, or the navigation as well, and the setting. Here's the setting that you can change it. And for the style as well, you can create the style like this one. Edge fade, give fading in here, like this one. Constant style, with height, box shadow, body style, description. You can change typography, the author. You can give color as well, and rating. Here's spacing as well. Look, and icon size, and for the dots, you can choose spacing the width, like this one in here. And for the navigation, you can change the width as well. Here. Yeah, if you really want to create a testimonial carousel with RTMKit, make sure that you download